Hey guys, today I'm going to show you briefly how we can set up vSAN without vCenter. As some of you may know, you can only bring up a new vSAN cluster via vCenter. But what if you are in a greenfield deployment or a net new environment that doesn't have one? So assuming you didn't have vCenter, you're going to likely have to set up vCenter anyway by deploying OVA. So today's demo, I will show you how you can configure vSAN as part of that vCenter deployment. I have more details in my blog post, so I'll leave the links below. So let's get started. So we're going to kick off installation with the installer UI. Just click install. We're just going to deploy the standard appliance and accept the license agreement. We're just going to go with default PSC. Put in the ESXi host details with a username and password. Next. So just give a name to your vCenter. So for the case of this demo, we're just going to select Tiny. So this is where you select the install new vSAN cluster. They will prompt you for the name of the vSAN data center and cluster name, and after which you can select the types of disk. I will just pick everything. I mean, obviously you can turn on options like thin disk mode, DDBin compression. You can even change allocation to capacity. So it's really depending how you want to set it up. I'll leave the network settings as default for now and go finish, and it will start deploying your vCenter as per you always would. So that's the end of the quick demo. Hopefully you found that useful. Do check out the other videos on my channel as well. And if you're keen to see more up-to-date stuff, or there is something specific that you'd like to see, do subscribe and leave me a comment. So till next time, see ya.